Okay, guys. As you can see, we got this truck here. This is a 76 Love with a 388. My truck is across the street. We should have done videos on those, but we are definitely going to do one on this one. And this is a Mitsubishi Mighty Max. And we stripped her ass butt naked. All this is going away. Bye-bye. As you can see, this is his truck. Now let me show you what we're going to put in this. Whole bunch of stuff from Speedmaster. First of all, we're putting this jewel in there. Nice Chevrolet V8. Yes, yes, yes. But what we have here, Speedway's gasser kit. We got everything you need here. Springs are right here. So what we are going to do is we're going to turn this little truck.
Purple hornies.
Oh yeah, and the purple hornies. Yes, you guys are going to love that. But we're going to turn this into a gasser. Please like and subscribe and follow.